So you've got your Bitcoin wallet and now you're ready to use it. At this point, it's important for you to understand how Bitcoin transactions work. Let's use Annie and Sean, two Leather Wallet users, as an example. Annie wants to send Sean 0.5 BTC. To do so, Annie needs to create a transaction with Sean's address as the recipient and specify the amount, 0.5 BTC. She will also pay a transaction fee to incentivize miners to process her transaction. Once Annie confirms the details and fee, her transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network where it enters the mempool, a waiting area where transactions stay until a miner includes them in a new block. Bitcoin's proof-of-work mechanism requires miners to compete to solve complex mathematical problems using powerful computers. The first miner to solve the problem gets to create a new block and add it to the blockchain. Miners include transactions from the mempool into the new block and collect the associated fees. Additionally, 3.125 Bitcoins are created with every new block and are rewarded to the miner. Once Annie's transaction is included in a block and added to the blockchain, it is confirmed. The 0.5 BTC she sent to Sean will appear in his wallet, and the amount she sent plus the fee will be deducted from her wallet. This typically takes about 10 minutes, but can vary depending on network congestion and the fee that Annie chose. Using your Leather wallet, you can select your transaction fee. If it's important for you to get your transaction processed quickly, you'll want to select a higher fee. Sending and receiving Bitcoin with your Leather wallet is straightforward. You simply enter an amount and an address and click confirm. However, from the moment you broadcast your transaction to its final confirmation, there's a lot happening behind the scenes. By understanding these steps, you can better appreciate the technology and processes involved in ensuring that every transaction you make with Leather is secure.